Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to export your CapCut video perfectly for YouTube? Stick with me and I will show you how. First, inside CapCut on the web or desktop app, look for this rectangle icon with a number. You need to change it to 16 by 19 because for YouTube it is the right dimension. And now all you have to do is go to export in the top right corner and name your file. I'm going to name it Happy. And you can choose where to save it. I'm going to keep it as it is, but you can pick what works for you. Now, under this video sections, you will see a resolution. Select it and you can see it can upscale to 4K. But I'm going to keep mine at 1080p. For bit rates, set it higher for better quality. And choose your codec. I recommend to choose H.264 because it's popular for YouTube and saves a lot of time and space as well. Now all you have to do is